Take 500 grams of liver, add vinegar, chili powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, salt to taste, turmeric, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, and mix well. Marinate this for 30 minutes. Add oil, onion puree, and fry well. Add green chilies and the marinated liver. Cook this for 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure you do not cover the liver. Add tomato puree and let this cook for another 10 minutes. Finally, add salt to taste, garam masala, and fresh coriander. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Elleroy and don't forget to visit our store at elleroy.co.uk. All the information is in the description below. See you in the next video.